If your sink drain is slow after putting in a new faucet, it's probably not just a coincidence. There's usually a simple fix you can handle without calling a pro. So, first off, check the aerator on your new faucet because sometimes debris or sediment gets stuck in there right from the start. Just unscrew it, rinse it out, and pop it back on. Next up, look at the supply lines you hooked up. If they're kinked or twisted, water flow can slow way down and cause drainage issues. Give those lines a quick untwist and make sure everything's snug but not over-tightened. Also, when you installed the faucet, some bits like old plumber's putty or grit might have fallen into the drain, so try running water while lightly tapping the pipes under the sink to shake things loose. If that doesn't work, grab a plunger and give the drain a few good pumps to clear any blockage. Lastly, double check that the drain trap is properly aligned and clean. Clogs in there are pretty common after any plumbing work. These little steps usually get your sink running smooth again without stress. One of the biggest mistakes people make with slow sink drains after faucet installation is ignoring the aerator, which can totally block water flow if clogged. Fix this by cleaning or replacing it. Another issue is supply lines that are bent or twisted, limiting water pressure. Just straighten those out to improve flow instantly. The third common problem is leftover debris or old sealant bits lodged inside the drain pipe. Flushing with water and using a plunger can clear that up fast. BigHomeProjects.com is an awesome tool for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors without all the hassle. It also helps contractors connect with serious clients who need their skills, making projects smoother for everyone.